In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. So this will be really easy and quick tutorial for beginners who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm gonna share with you step by step which services you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's get started. And as you can see in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, and as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do is, first, step number one is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, then click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, so you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see over here. So what you need to do is, so let me show you. If you need just to scroll down and you should see over here, join now. Okay, if you scroll down, you should see commission. So let me show you how much you will earn for each service you will promote. As you can see over here, it's up to $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money, guys. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer a few questions and you need to choose your country and choose your language. Put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next and answer next question, and that's it. It will take just a few minutes and it's easy, as you can see. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, go back to your Fiverr home page like this. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, click on the search over here and search for video editing. Okay, search for video editing like this. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 seller. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, what you need to do is you just need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. Okay, then click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Copy this link from here, so like this. So next step, guys, is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. It's easy and simple. So for people who are new to Pinterest, what you need to do is you need to go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and choose business account, not personal account. You need to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. You should have an account like this one. Okay, it's easy and simple. Click on home feed and click over here on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here. What you will do, you will upload picture about this service that you are promoting. So how you can upload this picture, go back to this seller page, go back to his page, profile page, click on his picture like this, and upload this picture to your laptop. Save image, and I'm gonna name it to video editing, for example. Save, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, let me see. Okay, what is this picture? Let me see. Okay, not this one. Video editing. This is my picture. Open. And here you go. What you will do next, scroll down and you should see link. Put your affiliate link first here. This is my affiliate link. So what we will do, we need title and description about this affiliate service. You will go back to this seller page and you will copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, put this title over here, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so what you will do, I'm gonna, for example, okay, I will copy this part, for example, go back to Pinterest, put this description here like this, scroll down. You need to choose a board, click over here. If you are new, click on create a board. You can create as many as you want. You just need to give it a name. I already created 3. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. Scroll down. You need to put here tags. Okay, so you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Let me show you, and keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down. You should see a related tag. Okay, so copy those tags like this, go to Pinterest and put those tags here. Copy, go to Pinterest, put those tags here. Okay, then after you finish, click on publish and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, guys. It will take just a few minutes from your time and you will not invest any money. This is absolutely for free. You can start Pinterest affiliate marketing business for free. Okay, you don't need to invest any money. Okay, as you can see over here, your affiliate link, your affiliate service will be promoted on Pinterest like this. This is your affiliate link, your picture, your title, description. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And of course, you need to promote at least 5 affiliate services per day, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, the more you are promoting, the more commission you can get. Okay, so you will not get commission just by promoting one service. Okay, that will not work. Of course, you should start promoting a lot of affiliate links and stay consistent if you want to succeed in this affiliate Pinterest affiliate business. Okay, see you in my next video.